My name is Peter Andersen. I'm the CEO for Watersprint, a fantastic little water cleaning company working with UVC-LED technology. Well, we solve a big problem. I mean, clean water in the world is really a big issue. I mean, 2 billion people in the world today is lacking drinkable water, clean water, and we take care of the microorganisms in the water. The technology is UVC, and traditionally UVC has been created by use of mercury. This technology generates germicidal UVC with the help of UVC-LEDs. And it was actually such an important discovery that the 3 Japanese professors got awarded Nobel Prize in Physics 2014. The foundation of the units we have is, of course, the UVC-LEDs. But then you have to have mechanics, electronics, optics, software, surface material to maximize the lightning, so the lightning penetrates the water properly for a maximum kill rate, as we call it. Well, we'll see. I think it's a fantastic event, seeing all the people, all the different companies. So, and of course, Grundfos is a major player in the field, so I look forward to it very much. Sustainable is a tough word, obviously. It's a lot of companies claiming sustainability. Our claim to fame is that we do not use poison, chemicals, and of course the banned mercury in our products. And that's a super sustainable way to clean water. The benefits having a big corporation is absolutely vital. To get, as a small innovative tech company, you need big corporate companies to see the functions and to maybe also integrate it in their solutions. For Grundfos, for example, I know they use mercury lamps in their different appliances. They would have a great help of switching to sustainable UVC with this technology. Yeah, so we have engaged with quite a few corporations at this point. We work very closely with a big Swedish, a Nordic faucet maker called FM Mattsson Mora Group. They make shower heads and faucets, and we have just recently made a cooperation with them. We also work closely with Safeman and Safe Water, an entity that is Swedish and African, to provide clean drinking water in Africa. One thing that is very tough as a technical company is the different certifications. Like, for example, the CE marking process is very, very hard. We've done the processes in Denmark, in Copenhagen, but it takes 5 times more time and 5 times more money to go through it. But again, it's a necessary step to fully industrialize the products and achieve the stability the big corporations demand from us. We have had some emissions, and at this point we are funded and going forward. So what we are looking for now is more industrial partnerships. Companies that sees the potentiality in this technology. It's only in the beginning of its journey, and big companies that see the potentiality to include and integrate this technology in their products or product portfolios. Three co-founders, professors in water, nanotechnology and engineering. So they were the ones that started experimenting with UVC-LEDs before actually the Nobel Prize was awarded. They started already experimenting in 2013. There's a lot of software hardware, machine coding and stuff like that we of course we have, and we also enable our products with of course IoT communication possibilities, which is a big issue and a big challenge for us, but very important, and a possibility with this technology. But this new generation of technology, UVC-LED, is perfect for IoT community and an IoT environment. I actually thought that for a change, doing something that matters. I mean, clean water for almost a third of the population of this planet is something to be proud of. So I think that clean water and water management, water issue in general, are really becoming a big issue and big problem, big challenge the world over today. So this technology will become standard because it's so agile, it's so flexible, it's so energy efficient, robust. It's prone to be integrated in things. So in 2 to 5 years time, we will see UVC-LED technology pretty much everywhere where disinfection is needed. We already have it now, surface disinfection in the food industry, have been a long time, but in water and for consumer use, it will explode.